Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to automatically enable airplane mode on your Vivo Y21 using an app called Macro Droid. Let's get started. Steps: download Macro Droid from the Play Store and open the app. Tap the Add Macro Plus button to create a new automation. Choose your trigger. If you want airplane mode to turn on at a certain time, go to Date, Time of day. If you want it to turn on when the battery is low, go to Battery/Power, Battery Level. Next, set the action. Go to Device Settings, arrow Airplane Mode. Select Turn Airplane Mode on. Optional. Add a constraint, for example, only at night or when the phone is not charging. Save the macro with any name you like, for example, Auto Airplane Mode. Important note: on some phones, including the Vivo Y21, Macro Droid cannot fully enable airplane mode automatically without root access. If your phone is not rooted, Macro Droid will only open the airplane mode settings and you'll still need to tap it manually. But if your phone is rooted, airplane mode will turn on automatically without any extra steps. So that's how you set up automatic airplane mode on Vivo Y21 with Macro Droid. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this tutorial helps you. See you in the next video.